Good morning, Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's take a look at what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market today. Today is August 14th, 2019. Half the month's gone already. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see what's going on the last couple of days. New listings. Looks like we got about 10 of them already this morning. Lowest price is a townhome, 1,122 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 72, over on Lake Mead Boulevard. Let's see what we got here. It's just been refurbished. That's nice. Okay. And we're over Lake Mead and Michael Jones, okay, over there. Winchester Manor. Okay, got it. Up near North Las Vegas North Las Vegas Airport. Okay. Then we have a fabulous Finches Avenue. That's interesting. 550,000, 4382 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3-car garage, pool, a spa, built in 07. So like it's got a lot of stuff going for it. Interesting house. Backs up to that. Got a little basketball court here, pool, spa, nice drone shot. We got a covered patio here, another covered patio, and an upstairs patio there. That's pretty nice. A nice neighborhood. Dual staircases. Kind of like that. What I don't like here is the way this floor is. It should be going the other direction. That personal opinion there. Let's drop down. Looks pretty nice. Nice little house. Now, what happened to the toilet seat here? That's odd. That needs to be fixed. Besides that, it's a pretty nice house. Just a few oddities here and there. Like the setting. Okay, and where are we here? Way up north? Elkhorn, yep, way up north. Aliante area. Okay, and yesterday we had a 2-story condo, 889 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 87. Gated community, clean. Upstairs, Juniper Hills, Vegas Valley and Nellis. Okay, and then these were all listed yesterday. 125, 135, between yesterday and today on St. Croix, McDonald Highlands. 14,485 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 9 baths, 4-car garage, pool spa built in '06. Massive house. Look at that sucker. Just sprawling. Just too much house there, I think. 14,000 square feet. Have to have a lot of family and friends to even start to enjoy something that big. But people love it. Okay. And that is over in McDonald Highlands. Out there, out there, out there. Okie dokie. Let's go see what's going on over here. Under contract, we have 538 under contract. Sold. This one just reported this morning. Single family, 1244 square feet, $299. Okay. Nice little house. On Lake Barkley, Sun City Anthem. Yep, Sun City Anthem, okay. For those who don't know, the Raiders practice facility is being built right there, across from the executive airport. So, get into this one. 816 is out of the area. Curious what this is. Ah. Nice little house. And where is it? Lincoln Highway. Caliente, is that what it said? Calumet. Ely, okay, got it. Okay, sold. Rainbow Boulevard, upstairs unit, probably $100,000, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. $100,000 for a 1 bedroom condo. Over on Painbow, Smoke Ranch and Rainbow. Okay, most expensive. Let's see, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 12, 12, 12. Back. 13 right here. 1.225, 3,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool and spa. A nice looking house, good curb appeal, nice pool. It's a good one. Like that front door. And again, crossways. Oh well. That's the way it works. Nice kitchen if you like white cabinets. double door refrigerator, double ovens. It's a pretty nice house. Great room. Must be a side with all these fans. Side yard. Pool and spa over there maybe. Yeah. So gotta squeeze it all in, I guess. Main focus is over here and the pool's over here. Quite interesting on how they did that. Eagle Hills. Summerlin. Okie dokie. So let's just see. Under contract the last couple of days. $280 under contract, single family homes. $209. What about the averages here? Starts at 65,000, goes up to 1.7 million. That been on the market 264 days, 7,000 square feet. Wow. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for now. I lost my timer here.